This year, the UK government has placed metals at the heart of their industrial strategy, and UK Metals Expo is its driving force. The leading trade show for the entire metal supply chain is back and bigger and better than ever before. From raw materials to fabrication, CNC machining to automation, this is the only event that brings the entire metals industry together under one roof. Thousands of key buyers and decision makers from every sector are visiting to see live demonstrations and seek solutions to drive efficiency, sustainability and growth. Events like this are where relationships are born and built and contracts are finalised. So, be there on the 10th and the 11th of September at the NEC in Birmingham and join the companies that are already shaping this essential and exciting sector. Premium stands are filling fast, so secure your space now and position your brand at the heart of the UK metals industry.